Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Reef. What's the current price of Reef? What's the price change so in the Reef? And this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, if we look the latest price of the Reef and the market, so the latest price is 0.02 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Reef Finance. On the other side, if you want the BTC price of the Reef, so the Bitcoin price of the Reef as 0.000054 BTC. The BTC price is very low, but my friends, I hope that the BTC price of the Reef Finance will become 1 BTC very soon, my friends. And 2050, it's possible. What do you think? I'm joking, my friends. Don't be taken serious. Let me show you, my friends, the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply of Reefs, total supply of the Reef. Every update is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. And my friends, at this time, the situation, the condition of the Reef Finance is completely going wrong. You can see at the last 1 hour, last 1 weekend, the whole changes occur in the Reef Finance is going wrong. Completely fast down. The price of Reef Finance is going down, 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 down. And the people are really worrying about that. People afraid by the Reef Finance fast down, and they decide to say, you know what, my friends, when the price falls down, so what the holders do? The easy solution, they understand that selling is the best solution at this time. But no, they are wrong, my friends. Selling is not a solution, my friends. You have to hold for a long time. That's how you can get a good amount of profit from a Reef Finance. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Reef? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.